Hey guys, today we're drawing Pikachu. Okay, let's start with his eyes. Let's make two giant ovals like that. Now we'll make circles inside them like that. Now let's color in the oval, not the tiny circle. On both of them. Like that. Now here's his nose. That's a straight line. Like that. Now let's make him smile. Like that. Now let's make a half oval around him. Like that. Stop right there. Let's imagine we're drawing through. Like that. Now let's draw his ears. We're gonna use these spots. Like that. We do them on both sides. Now let's draw his cheeks. A half oval. Like that. Now let's draw his body. Let's make a curved line on both sides. They almost connect. Like that. Now let's draw his feet. A U shape like that. U shape bigger. Then let's make his other foot like that. Now let's make his toes. Two lines on his feet. There we go. Now let's draw his tail. A line going up, then going down. Then a thinner line almost goes, but we go down, then connect it like that. Now there is a design going through his neck. Then we're gonna draw his arms. Then we make a line going down, then back up, then a little triangle. I'm doing the same thing, like that. Now let's color in this. Okay, I'm done coloring. I colored this triangle a little bit, like that. Now let's draw his arms. We make a line coming out of his face, then a line going backwards, a tiny U, and we're connecting back, like that. And let's draw the other arm, a line coming out of his face, then a U shape, a line going down, and we're connecting. Okay. Now let's make some designs on his ears. And now I'm coloring that shape I just made. I'm done making. I think now this color is tail in. Okay, I think that's it. Bye. I'm drawing with a marker. See that? Bye.